Hi, Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine reporting from Mobile India Congress 2025. And today I have Balaji Raju with me from NTT Data. Hi, sir.
Hi,
How are you, sir?
I'm doing great.
So, sir, can you please brief me about your company and how you started?
So, we are from the NTT Data Inc. business. So, we are part of the $100 billion NTT Group. And within that, we are the NTT Data business where we have a full stack portfolio from deep sea underground network cables to satellite communications, ION, infrastructure, data services, and all the consulting industry services above it.
That's really
We,
nice, sir.
we have more than 10 data centers in India. NSC, BSC operate out of our business. And we have a very large portfolio of 50,000 people working across 9 different offices in India.
That's great, sir. So, what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
So here we are showcasing our AI capabilities, our cutting edge AI innovation and AI solutions and assets that would span across telecom, network and other domain business area. We have the digital human, which is your CRM operations for your businesses and your customer representatives. And we also have our AI ecosystem of all the smart AI agents, AI platform called GenAI TechUp, and our cutting edge manufacturing AI products related on private 5G called Edge AI devices. We also have our consulting works on AI, where we have an AI innovation factory with AI innovation related agent ROI calculator and maturity models also.
That's great. So, how are the products of your company different from other competitors in the market?
So, to talk about entities differentiations, like we spend 10% of our revenue, that is out of the $31 billion, we spend $3 billion every year just on R&D. So we innovate, we make our difference to our customer. We
That's
hold
great.
20,000 patents and we are ranked 12th most innovative company globally.
That's nice, sir. So, are you dealing with international markets also? If yes, so in what ways?
So we have a business dedicated for Japan and a dedicated business for the rest of the world. So we are across the entire globe from Japan to US, and we have bases in every country and every region. So we operate, even though as different regions, we operate as one single business called NTT Inc. business.
That's great, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your time with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.